Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix an unknown error occurred while trying to start or join a meeting on Zoom. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So whether you are a developer or you're just an ordinary user but you are experiencing this error on Zoom app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you are connected to a stable internet before using this. Then you want to make sure that you are not using any proxy such as like security apps on your phone. If they are turned on, you may want to turn them off and see if this fixes your problem. This also may include any VPN. If you are using any VPN, turn it off, restart your smartphone, and now you should be able to start your meeting without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then you might want to troubleshoot Zoom app. To do this, you need to go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app, and here you want first to force stop the app, and okay, then clear data and choose clear cache, and again clear all data. From here, restart your smartphone, and then once you have restarted, now if you go to your Zoom app, everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, if you still have a challenge, then you want to check and see if we have an update through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. By doing so, now your app should be up and running without any issue. However, at any point should this still not work, then you want to uninstall your app and install it again, as this might be as a result of a bug issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.